Misfits Decimals is a fun way to practice computational thinking using decimal sequences. The goal of the game is to figure out the sequence in each bar, detect the numbers that are out of place, known as misfits, and then move them to their proper space by using code. To first find out what coding language to use, click the Open Example box at the bottom. This shows you how to enter the code so the computer can move the pieces. Click the box again to hide it. When you begin, the playing board will appear with pattern bars containing 5 decimal numbers in each. Start by figuring out the sequence each pattern bar is trying to make. Here, in row 4 at the top, we notice right away that the 22 is out of sequence with the rest of these numbers. This is supposed to be a sequence adding by 0.5. Now that you know this, find the number to take the spot of the 22 in one of the other pattern bars. The 7, which is in row 3, column A, is the number we want to swap with the 22, because the 22 fits the pattern in row 3, which is subtracting by 0.1. To make the move, click on the column letter that the piece is in. Then, click on the row number of that piece. Next, click the letter and number of the piece you want to swap it with. Do this for the other misfits you find on the board. You can check your moves before you submit the code by clicking the Run button. This is a great way to figure out your next moves. Each time you click Run, 2 bonus stickers will be lost. To keep all of your bonus stickers, do not click Run to check your code. Only click Submit. Once all the moves are made, if the sequence is correct, the row turns green. If you need to delete a move, click on the box you want to delete and then re-enter your code. When the sequence is incorrect, the row will turn red and a new problem will appear. As you move up in games and rounds, patterns will have more misfits. Focus on making patterns one row at a time, and don't be afraid to check your work with the Run button, even if it means sacrificing a couple of bonus stickers. We hope you have fun playing Coding Misfits Decimals in the CT world. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!